So leading the way for San Sebastian is Kat Santos with 15 points, Tina Marasigan with 10 points, Juna Gonzalez, siya palang #1 scorer nila dito. 16 points now in the match. On the other side, it's Moming Padillon with 14. We begin the fourth set here. Good to have you with us. This is Arellano versus San Sebastian on a Friday to begin their second round campaign. Long rally to begin set 4. This will determine if we will have an extension in the match. Padillon tips it up and in.
Doon lang sa rally na yon, Marts. Dalawang player ng Arellano ang inabot ng bola. Parehas na side, dinalan nila ng bola to try and look for that right angle na pwede nilang makuhanan ng puntos.
So 1-0.
And that's a good sign.
Unang punto sa ating fourth set. Again, Arellano seemed lost in set 3. So ito yung binabawi nila dito. An identical start to the previous set here. 2-0. And for Bastea, these are
Crucial points.
yeah, points and errors on their side that's causing all of this. Ito, di makulangan. Dinala kay Marasigan. Ceballos with a defense. Padillon. Tina. Sends it across. Palit sila kay Moming dito. Padillon! Buenas yung down the line ngayong araw na to. 15 points for Moming.
Ang lalim ng dinukot ni Padillon para dun sa palo na yun. Kung titignan natin dito sa replay, tignan nyo na lang yan. Oh, parang, di ba parang tumama yata dun sa ano? Parang kumalaw yata yung stick eh. Pero again, walang tawag from the umpire. So, wala tayong ano dyan.
3-0 start for the Lady Chiefs. Strong way to begin the third. Tudlasan mula sa likod. Back attack from Santos as well. De Guzman off the block. So it is Arellano rolling in set 3. Pao De Guzman with some firepower.
And you know, De Guzman has been aggressive since the beginning of this game. But last set, medyo tahimik talaga sila eh. They're really having a hard time. They had a hard time getting those first balls.
Marasigan. One more time. Dumasig to Padillon.
Medyo mababa yung bigay.
1-2. Sumugal si Di Makulangan. De Guzman. Yeah. Sana yung umover doon. Lefty swing by Ramos.
Pinakitaan tayo ng quick. Ito ni Ramos. Kinaliwa pa.
Medyo kinailangan pa nga niya mag-adjust dito. You know, just had to reach for it.
And hinanap niya yung butas. At doon niya hinulog. And that's a very smart play for Ramos.
First point for Baste. Here in the third. Dumasig. Over to Padillon. Santos. Sharp pop-up. Padillon. Masyado malakas. So, San Sebastian will chop the lead into half.
2 serving 4.
This is combi play. Slight push, soft touch mula dito kay Pao De Guzman.
Ganda ng misdirection nila doon. Kasi napasabay ni tira-tira yung isang blocker na crucial para doon sa supposedly block na pwede nilang maibigay doon sa set na yun.
Yan yung resulta kapag lagi mo ina-activate yung middle. Kasi threat sila dyan.
Tsaka ang ganda nung pagkakaset eh. Kasi after nung first ball, sinabi nung setter, tira, tira! Hindi pala para sa kanya. Hindi pala sa likod niya.
Kasama sa ano?
Kasama sa play yun.
Kasama sa play. Yung fake out, ano?
Oo, tama. Akala nila siya yun.
Pangatlo na ni Prince.
Akala nila siya yun. And magandang setup para dito sa Arellano.
May personal tally mo ng season 100. Every time makaka-partner ko si Prince, bibilangan ko yung mga... Yan, pangatlo na. Gonzalez bringing San Sebastian back here. 17 puntos na para kay Juna Gonzalez.
And again, si Gonzalez naglalaro ng parang hindi siya bago. Parang sinabi niya na mukha lang akong bago. Pero matured na to and veterano na tayong maglaro.
Ganda galawan niya.
Having those kinds of coaches behind you, helping you with the experiences na nakuha nila through the years, malaking bagay yon.
We expected Marasigan and Kat Santos to take over for Baste, but it's been Juna Gonzalez who's been the star and she continues to score.
Kinailangan lang niya na sila ate magpakita lang muna ng konting init and then pag nasa kanila na lahat ng attention, ako naman, then take over na.
And it's really taking off the pressure from those players. Dinadagdagan pa itong serving ng San Sebastian. Bondi Makulangan. This is her second ace. That drops in using the net to her advantage. 4-zip run for San Sebastian. Tudlasan. Now they're ahead. Marasigan. There's a check. Make that 5-0 run now for Baste.
And again, Di Makulangan has been very, very vital for that set number 3. Sa kanya nag-umpisa yung long run na nakuha nila with her service. And now she's back at it.
Von Di Makulangan. Fueling this San Sebastian attack. Tina Marasigan. Again, 8-5. We reach the 8th point here. San Sebastian getting there first. Pagbalik natin, pakinggan natin si Erin T.
Kilalang-kilala ngayon si Carlos Yulo sa kanyang double gold sa Paris. Pero alam nyo ba na mayroon nang naunang Carlos na naglaro sa Olympics na tubong NCAA? Siya'y walang iba kundi si Carlos Caloy Loizaga na nagpa-champion sa San Beda Red Lions ng 3 beses noong 1950s. Lumahok si Loizaga ng 2 beses sa Olympics, pati na rin sa Asian Games, FIBA Asia at FIBA World Championships kung saan nagkamit siya ng maraming gintong medalya. Sa taong 2023, naluklok siya sa FIBA Hall of Fame. Talagang
A Season 100 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Basta baste, hindi basta-basta. That is the team's mantra as they strive to prove that they are more than just heart and hustle. For the Lady Stags, each set is a chance to prove themselves and to fight stronger and smarter than before. And although they lost Game 1 against Arellano, palagi nilang binabanggit sa akin na hindi sila papayag na mangyari yun ulit. Kaya naman back in the huddle, consultant Roger Goreyev reminded them to capitalize on their strengths and experiences, execute their plays, and continue to trust and communicate with each other in order to maintain their momentum in the hopes of ending their losing streak. And Martin, as you said earlier, to offset their errors, Baste needs to dominate, and that is what they did. But Arellano isn't backing down either. Coach Obet said that they need to be more aggressive in order to regain their momentum. Let's see how this turns out as I turn it over to you, Martin and Prince.
Thanks, Erin. I like what you said. Basta-baste, hindi basta-basta.
Okay yun
diba?
Okay yun Okay, I like that.
Yan naman yung pinapakita nila sa atin dito, led by Juna Gonzalez, who in the season has only scored 75 points in total in the first 9 games. Today, she has 17. So from 8.3 points per match, she is way above her average. At malaking bonus yan para dito sa Baste. Para naman dito sa Arellano Lady Chiefs, you're talking about the aggression. Aaron was talking about the aggression. Yung simula nila maganda sa mga set Diba? Pero pagbalik ng bola dito sa San Sebastian, si Von Di Makulangan nagsiserve, doon nagraran yung Baste.
And again, babalikan natin yung aggressiveness on offense. And yun din mismo yung binanggit ni Coach. To offset yung mga errors nila, kailangan maging aggressive sila. But in the case of set number 3 kanina, medyo stagnant sila Again, sinabi rin, nabanggit mo kanina na isa sa mga gusto ni Coach is yung minsan second ball pa lang binabalik na Pero napansin ko rin na binanggit ni Coach kanina na wag muna. Hanapin muna natin yung spikers mo. Meron yung spikers. Balasahin muna natin. Ikutin muna natin yung bola. Set natin yung place natin ng mga ayos. Hopefully, from there, makakuha tayo ng run. Then pwede na tayo bumalik ulit dun sa dati.
But now, Laika Tudlasan getting rejected That's KJ Dionisio with the block. Gumagana na rin itong blocking ng San Sebastian. Number 2 itong si KJ. Pagdating sa blocking dun sa individual players natin. Tomasig. Track down by Dionisio. Medyo malayo-layo yung pinanggalingan niya. Running attack for Mangubat. And that's a welcome variety in the offense of Arellano. This is the 6th point of Faye Mangubat. You know, ulat.
And if hindi mo napansin, Marts, first time nilang niran yung running play na yan para dito kay Mangubat. And now that they've seen na effective,
Yan,
pwede pa nila i-run ulit yan.
Combination for Gonzalez. Naabangan. Magaling. Lazarte. Santos on the ad-lib. There you go. To Moming Padillon. Wow. Panasigan diving. Off speed. Doesn't drop. It is returned by the Lady Chiefs. So they're back to within a point.
And syempre, buena mano para dito kay Magaling. Bagong pasok siya dito sa set number 4 natin. And immediately, meron na tayong impact na nakikita na galing sa kanya.
10-9. Von, underhand set for Gonzalez. Moming again with those deceiving attempts.
Same play, but different option this time.
Si Padillon, ayan o. Akala ipapower. Hindi, lagay ko ulit sa gitna. Bukas na bukas.
Very smart player and I really love how she plays.
10-all. Maui Magaling. Kat Santos, gustong bawian. Moming again. Check this time. One more time for Padillon. Yep, it's been working for Padillon, those drop balls. Look at this, kanina power. O ito, nag-adjust ng mabilis si Moming Padillon.
And if you're gonna look at how she plays talaga, very last minute, bago siya magde-decide na yung hulog niya. So very little time for the defenders to react dun sa gusto niyang atake.
A counter 4-zip run for Arellano, ended by Juna Gonzalez. Juna Gonzalez with a breakout performance.
Score is 11. Gonzalez serving.
She ties the match at 11. Uy! Lumabas lang yung serve.
Service goes out.
Sobra. So 12-11. Balik sa abante. Itong Arellano University. Faye Mangubat on the service line here. Dimakulangan. Kept up and over by Ramos. Quick for tira-tira. So dalawa ang abante dito ng Lady Chiefs.
You know, things are really working well for this Arellano team. That every time they serve, well actually ngayon ko lang napansin na whenever they serve, nakikita ko rin to dun sa mga ibang professional teams na tinuturo nila kung saan mo dadalhin yung bola sa service. And you know, maybe because meron din silang scouting report dun sa players kung sino yung medyo pinaka-okay na targetin para dun sa mga service natin. And so far, it's been working.
Pero ito, pinawian sila ni Kat Santos. Nice approach. May bounce ball for Kat. So, San Sebastian not letting go of the rope. Jump serve incoming. Oh, this is sent across. Chance ball. Underhand setup. One more for Tina. Magaling. Pops it up. Moming. Again! With a drop!
Just like that, Arellano is back in this game and with a 2-point lead.
Moming Padillon, the master of these off-speed / drop balls. Yung saktong-sakto sa gitna. tamang tansya para dito sa kay Moming Padillon.
Kung tatanungin mo ako, Marts, kung sino yung umiscore, ang sagot ko sa'yo, si Moming Padillon.
Ay, pwede. Number 4.
That's number 4.
Number 4. Puntas para dito sa San Sebastian.
Mga viewers natin, pasensya na kayo. Medyo gumagana yung utak natin ngayon eh. Kasi maganda yung laban natin.
Hindi, okay yan. Kasabay ng tanghalian.
Oo, tama.
Diba?
Sa mga nagla-lunch dyan, kumain kayo ng maayos. And syempre,
Busog na
uminom kayo ng tubig.
Yan.
Dahil mainit ang panahon ngayon. And syempre, mas okay yun na hydrated tayo.
Here's Marasigan. Oh! Tina Marasigan. Ties it up. Humabol na rin sa puntusan itong si Marasigan. 15 puntos na.
And if titignan natin, tatlo sa players ng San Sebastian ang may 15 and up
Yeah,
na score.
precisely. This is the trio they're boasting today. Quick! Para kay KJ. She wants to join that party.
Hindi lang kasi siya pang-block. Hindi siya, number 2 siya sa blocking, pero pwede mo rin yan bigyan ng opensa. And pag binigyan mo yan, mag-perform yan.
At one point, she was converted into opposite/open by Coach Roger. Pero balik siya sa kanyang original position sa gitna.
Subok lang. Kasi
subok.
baka mag-excel siya doon eh. But in this case, mas nag-excel siya in this position. So, again, kung ano yung nag-work, keep doing that.
Pero si Moming Padillon, 20 points now in the match to lead the Lady Chiefs. She has been unstoppable here. First, it was her drop balls. Ngayon, cross-court naman. Ooh! So Arellano with a couple of points here to reach 16. Second technical timeout. We have a 1-point game.
Ang unang pumapasok sa isipan pag NCAA ang napag-uusapan ay basketball. Pero kahit sa ibang larangan ng palakasan, lalaban pa rin ang NCAA. Tignan nyo ang tubong mapuwa na si chess grandmaster Eugene Torre na isa ng Hall of Famer. Ang taga-College of St. Benilde na season 92 men's volleyball champion at MVP na si John Vic de Guzman na nakapagkamit ng silver medal sa SEA Games. Ang kaeskwela niya na si Agatha Wong na nakalimang gold medals rin sa SEA Games sa Wushu. At syempre, ang isa pang taga-Benilde na nakapagbigay sa Pilipinas ng unang Olympic gold medal, ang weightlifter na si Heidelin Diaz. Yan ang NCAA sa siglo I.
Newscast, gamitin lang ang hashtag #YouScoop sa inyong mga post. Yan, community-driven journalism. And, you know, some organic posts and content from our community. All right, 21 points now for Moming Padillon, 19 off attacks, 1 block, 1 ace. A stellar performance from the third-year player. Yan ang hinahanap natin mula kay Padillon. And tira-tira. Again, just a single coverage. No help, no problem at the net for Samantha. Tira-tira. 1v1 against Kat Santos of all people. 17-15. Dalawa ulit ang abante ng Arellano. Set up for Divine Garcia. And it is tira-tira with a rejection. How about Samantha tira-tira? Napa-timeout dito si Coach Roger.
Yung bola eh. Hindi lang kayo nag-aabang. Pwesto kayo pero hindi nyo kinukuha yung bola.
Nakatuwa nga kayong lahat. Tinutuwa nga hindi yung pumapalo. Nakanganga kayong lahat doon. Nagtutakbo kayo doon pero hindi kayo kumu-coverage. Ano ba yan?
Walang talo. Pag tumalo, coverage tayo. Kaya si Six!
Okay. So, update tayo dito. Samantha tira-tira in this match. She is currently number 1 in blocking. 22 kill blocks in the first 9 games. Today, She has 9 points in total, 6 na blocks para dito kay Samantha Tira-Tira, who is of course a rookie for the Arellano Lady Chiefs. That's how big she has been for Arellano today. Oh, KJ is denied. Pero, yeah, make that 7 kill blocks now for Tira-Tira.
Napakaganda ng epekto ng Holy Week break para sa mga players natin ngayon. Ano? Gonzalez getting that career high in points dito sa game na to. And si Tira-Tira having that 7 kill blocks in this game alone.
And in any league, napakarami po niyang 7 kill blocks na yan. Oh, and it snowballs for Arellano. This time, it's another block, pero si De Guzman naman yung dinaanan. 20-15. Nangangamoy 5th set ba?
Oo, medyo props to this Arellano and San Sebastian school, ano? Binibigyan tayo ng napakagandang laban habang kumakain tayo ng lunch.
Ito si KJ Dionicio.
Alam mo yung mga laro na pag kumakain ka, pinanonood mo, nakakalimutan mo ng sumubo eh. Nakakalimutan mo sumubo dahil intense yung nagiging labanan.
Nakakapit ka,
Oo,
no?
nakakapit ka. So sa mga nanonood dyan, walang kukurap. Enjoyin lang po natin. Season 100 ng NCAA.
Tama.
Arellano versus San Sebastian.
Enjoy lang tayo. Tomasig choosing De Guzman. This time San Sebastian returns it. 17-20 now.
Medyo nadinig tayo ni Dionicio kanina kasi nabanggit natin na nandun siya sa taas. When we're talking about blocking, nabanggit natin na 7 points na si Tira-Tira.
Hindi sumunod yung center blocker dito tapos nandito rin ng bola. Sana pinaikot mo si Pau, running oh. Running pa ikutin mo para mabiyak. Dalawa eh. Ay, hindi sarili mo ang diskarte na yan.
Pag ganyan na yung mode ni Coach Obet, ako manginginig na ako.
Serious mode na yan.
Serious
mode na yan. And again, yung play na nabanggit ni Coach na yun, yun yung effective sa kanila kanina. Kumuha sila ng 2 points from that, na back-to-back.
So, tignan natin. I correct myself. Si KJ pala pang-5 sa blocking with 18 kill blocks. Una, si Tira-Tira.
Oh.
Yan. Tomasig. Di makulangan. Boom. Tina Marasigan trims the lead to 2.
And Tina Marasigan getting up there in terms of points dito sa San Sebastian.
Make it 16 now for Tina Marasigan. Grabe yung scoring trio nitong San Sebastian. Vaughn again. Ito yung napapansin natin kanina. Oh! Pag si Vaughn ang nagsuserve, sunod-sunod ang puntos ng Baste. And it continues. Juna Gonzalez with a cross-court hit.
What's that, 18 points?
We'll check, we'll verify. She's very close to 20. Points now for Gonzalez.
Napakabigat ng 19 points na yun.
And 4-0 run now for San Sebastian to get back in it. Pabasa isa ang kanilang lamang. Lazarte keeps it alive, but nobody else popped it up. Arellano gets the point.
And take note, this is the first offense na binigay nila yung quick kay Tira-Tira.
So 11 puntos na para kay Samantha Tira-Tira. 7 kill blocks today. Di makulangan. Gonzalez. De Guzman! 22-19, Arellano.
Arellano not giving up sa set number 4 and medyo nangangamoy set number 5 na.
De Guzman giving just one blocker in front of her.
Flexible ha. Flexible yan.
Alright. Oh, si Coach Roger nagbigay ng pointers para dito kay Gonzales.
Ayaw hindi bibitawan to
Oo.
ng San Sebastian because they don't want a fifth set. That's a free for all. Diba?
Iba ang takbo ng fifth set.
Oh. Anybody's ball game. Pagdating natin sa fifth. Oh. Here's a chance ball on the shorter side. Oh, block out para dito kay Tina Marasigan.
80 points.
So, trio talaga itong San Sebastian. Ang patuloy na umaambag. Marasigan
Marasigan
serves now. Tina with the jump. Dumasig. Back to Pau. Timakulangan. Oh, Gonzales is denied. Mangubat with a kill block. How about this? Cross court. Sarado. 23 to 20.
For the Lady Chiefs,
3 points.
Claire Adante.
Casey Adante subbed in for serving purposes. Si Lazarte ang nag-set up kay Santos. Nadaplisan ng blockers. Laika Tudlasan. Nandun si Lazarte. Santos will try again. Momeng was there for coverage. It is still alive. It is sent across. And Marasigan. Pastes sets it up. Santos. Padua. Tudlasan. Uy! Returned. Padillon from the back. Santos. Oh, parts it down.
Mabigat yung isang play doon na binalik nila agad. Sige, nakita mo may reaction ni Coach Obet nung binalik nila agad yung first ball.
Huy! Oo, napareact. Kasi nga naman,
Rally eh. Dapat rally yan.
sayang yung oportunidad.
And now, nakakuha ng San Sebastian yung puntos. Meron pa silang tsansa.
23-21. KC. Back set. Tudlasan. Puto. Buhay pa to. That's right. Chance ball though. Arellano will look to take advantage. Balik kay Laika. Easier. Take. Juna Gonzales scores again. 20 points now for the sophomore.
Bigat nung palo na yun. Oh. Alam mo ba na kanina ko lang natutunan yung term na puto. Oo. That's a good example of puto.
Pag malakas ano, tapos
Sinalo lang
nadig
eh.
pa rin.
Oo.
22-23! KJ ties it up! Service ace! That was a sharp serve unleashed by KJ.
What's that? 3-0 run?
Yeah. To tie it up. Look at that. Just right over the net. Pababa. 23 all. 3-zip for San Sebastian. Mangubat. Here comes Baste. Gonzales. Oh! Inabot ni Padillon!
That's a point for
San Sebastian is at match point.
Timeout by
Juna Gonzales with 22.
Simple instruction ang binato. Kasi aabangan talaga to. Aabangan niya ang dalawa. Eh, hindi aabangan yan. Eh, pag binigyan mo naman ng bola, papaluin niya yung bola eh.
One stop lang, kaya natin yan. Atin to.
Moments ago, it was 23-20. But after Coach Rogers' timeout, 4-0 run unleashed by San Sebastian. And they're being led by the 22 points of this young lady, Juna Gonzales. Season high for her.
match point.
Before this, she was only averaging 8.3 points per match. Oh, good serve. Padua, oh! An attack error will give San Sebastian the win. The Lady Stags will take it in 4 sets. Ito, si Padua. Oh man, just not the right contact for her.
Yes. Pero again, hindi mo naman pwedeng, di ba? That was an instruction from the coach na doon dalhin yung bola. It's just that. It happens even to the best of us. You know?
San Sebastian ended the match on a 5-0 run. 5 unanswered points to get the win.